Hi there. One of you's asked me to go through 9G question 9, or really just to check the answer, but I might as well do it from scratch. A square-based pyramid has the same volume as a cube of side 10. So a square-based pyramid has the same volume as a cube of side 10. So the volumes are equal. The height of the pyramid is the same as the side of the square base. So the height of the pyramid is the same as the square base. What can we do with that? So why don't we call the base x and the height x, and say that volume of cube is 10 times 10 times 10, 10 cubed, 1,000 centimeters cubed. Square base pyramid, volume of pyramid is always third times base area times height. Now in this case, for a square base pyramid, the base area is that square, x squared, and the height is x as well. So it's x squared times x, x cubed over 3. That's the same as that. X cubed over 3 is the same as 1,000. X cubed is 3,000. Turn that on, so x is the cube root of 3,000. So where's the cube root button? Shift. Cube root of 3,000 equals 14.4. Well, it's not 14.4, it's 14.4224957. But does it say anything about accuracy? It doesn't. So I'm going to do 3 sig fig 14.4. Let's zoom back out again. I'm going to say 14 to 3 sig fig. Now the confusion seems to be, somebody's quite rightly said, but 1/3 times 14.4 squared times 14.4 equals, let's do that. So I'm not going to use that, that's the exact answer. 1/3 times 14.4 squared times 14.4 equals 995 centimeters cubed, not 1,000 centimeters cubed. But it doesn't mean it's wrong. Remember, that was corrected to 3 sig fig, and that would correct to back to 2 sig fig. All that's happened is we've taken an exact answer, which was the 14.4 blah blah blah, and rounded it. So using 14.4 to get 995 doesn't mean it was wrong. It's just about the correction. This question was all about the correct formula there for volume of a pyramid. And while I'm at it, shall I do the exam question you're asked to do as well this time? So the exam question said we had this triangular base pyramid. So if you get this up on the screen, triangular base pyramid that looked like this. A, B, C, D. They were the same each other, and there was a little X marked there and a right angle there. A, B, C, D is a triangular base pyramid. The base BCD is a right angled triangle, A is above B, so that's the height. BC equals BD, BC equals BD. Oh, right, that's why they've marked them both there, isn't it? BC equals BD, BC equals BD, and they both equal X. AB is twice BC. This is just reading the question. All right, so that makes that 2x, doesn't it? So I'm going to put the height is 2x. The whole volume is 72 centimeters cubed. What's the question say? Find BC. BC equals. Right then, what do we do? The question reminds us that volume of a pyramid is always third times base area times height. How does that help here? Well, the volume is 72 equals a third times, right, base area, right angle triangle. Well, if in doubt, let's draw that triangle. Right angle triangle, x there, area triangle, half base times height. So the base area is a half times the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. That height there is the height of the pyramid, which is the 2x. So let's just be clear about that, shall we? That's the base area of the triangle, which is that, whereas this height here was the height of the pyramid. Where does that get us? So we've got 72, a third times a half is a sixth. You can check that on the calculator. X times x times x is x cubed. So that's 2x cubed. That's a multiplying sign there. Let's do 72 times 6. 72 times 6 is 1432, and then divide it by the 2. Then divide by the 2. 216 is x cubed. So that's just rearranging it. So x is the cube root of 216, and 216 happens to be a cube number, doesn't it? 216 cube rooted 6. So BC is 6. Right, let's clear everything out of the way. This was a question about putting things on a diagram carefully, reading the question and checking if that was on the diagram, and then coming back to the right formula again. Volume of the pyramid, third base area times height, and in this case the base was a triangle. Okay, if you were stuck on that, have a listen to that and see if that helps.